Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the incredible benefits of healing and why it's essential for our overall well-being. In our fast-paced lives, taking time to heal is often overlooked. But trust me, it's a game changer. So, let's dive in. 1. Understanding healing. Healing, simply put, is the process of restoring and rejuvenating our mind, body, and spirit. It goes beyond physical recovery, it encompasses emotional and spiritual well-being too. It's about nurturing ourselves and finding balance. 2. The importance of healing. Healing is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. When we prioritize healing, we give ourselves the opportunity to recover from stress, trauma, and the daily wear and tear of life. It's like hitting the reset button, allowing us to recharge and be our best selves. 3. Benefits of healing. So, what are the good things about healing? Let's explore some of its incredible benefits. Physical restoration. Healing promotes faster recovery from physical ailments, injuries, and illnesses. It strengthens the immune system and enhances overall vitality. It helps to reduce chronic pain and improve physical functioning. Emotional well-being. Healing allows us to process and release emotional wounds and traumas. It fosters self-awareness, self-compassion, and emotional resilience. It promotes a sense of inner peace, joy, and emotional balance. Mental clarity and growth. Healing supports mental clarity, allowing us to think more clearly and make better decisions. It reduces stress, anxiety, and burnout, improving our mental health. It opens doors for personal growth, self-discovery, and self-improvement. Spiritual connection. Healing deepens our connection with ourselves and the world around us. It encourages mindfulness, meditation, and self-reflection. It fosters a sense of purpose, meaning, and spiritual fulfillment. How to incorporate healing. Host, now that we understand the importance and benefits of healing, let's talk about how to incorporate it into our lives. Self-care routine. Prioritize self-care activities like meditation, yoga, or taking baths. Engage in activities that bring you joy, such as hobbies or spending time in nature. Set boundaries and practice saying no to excessive demands on your time and energy. Seek support. Reach out to loved ones, friends, or professionals for emotional support. Consider therapy, counseling, or coaching to facilitate healing. Join support groups or communities where you can share experiences and gain insights. Practice mindfulness. Cultivate mindfulness through meditation, deep breathing, or mindfulness exercises. Be present in the moment and embrace each experience without judgment. Pay attention to your thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations. Prioritize rest. Get sufficient sleep and establish a consistent sleep routine. Take breaks throughout the day to recharge and relax. Listen to your body and honor its need for rest and rejuvenation. Lastly, remember, healing is a transformative journey that allows us to heal our wounds, find balance, and embrace a healthier and happier life. By prioritizing healing, we gift ourselves with the power to flourish. So, let's commit to making healing a part of our lives and experience its incredible benefits.